So, hello guys and welcome to the final lesson. I hope you liked the course so far, and yeah, we will render that out here. So, first of all, before the shader building and so on, we need to get a little bit of preparation here. So first of all, let's get here rest position in. So we can work with triplanar and with reference, something like that. After that, I want to promote the iteration, this one here, from primitive to point class. It's a value because I want to get the color, so we can work with that here. And after that, I want to randomize it, so we can randomize it quickly. Whoops. Iter value, and now we can randomize it here. Cool. Let's place a null and call it out final with a large L, please. Good. Let's dive up. We are now finished with the loop here and the turning setup also. So let's get a camera. Let's call this camera close up. Let's leave it for now at 50 millimeters. Let's get here more resolution. Let's enable the DOF. Something like that. Let's get a shop network and a ROP network. And let's get started. RS mat and out. Let's get into the out network. Let's place a Redshift custom, call it out RS001 for example, and let's get a camera in here. And let's get the material started. So let me have a quick look here. Okay. Redshift network. Final material mat. Let's call it RS mat geo, and let's apply that to the render. And let's go in here, strands, cylinders. Let's disable the tessellation and let's go down here. Let's place an RS light dome for now. RS light dome. And let's go to light. Let's get a shader here. Let's get one from the Pro Metal Studios. And let's hit render. Let's have a look here how this will look like. And then we will go into the shading. So let's get this rec. And of course the camera close up. And let's refresh the IPR. And now we are here. So the problem is we've got the wrong focus. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's get the focus right. Something like that, and let's have a look. That thickness looks pretty okay for now, but let's go down with the CRC radius. something like that here. Cool. So let's get a cool material started. So I did it with a light material and another material. You can do it with fewer types of materials, but I thought that would be a good combination. So let's get started. RS material. Let's just get a test here. Copper. Okay. So let's get a material blender, because we will use two material. Let's get an incandescent material, and let's get a normal material. So let's get a noise, simple noise here. Let's pipe that into the surface. So guys, let's get a noise here running. So let's make it a little bit more complex, and let's get the 0 to 1 value a little bit poppin'. So now let's use that noise for the blend color, and let's use the light material for the layer color, and this one for the base color. So we will get something like this here. Let's get here another color. I like to use blue or something like yellow or orange, but that's fully up to you. Let's get a little bit higher here with the intensity multiplier. That looks not bad. Let's go 0.25. Something like that. And let's go with glass. That looks good. Cool. Let's go even with a little bump shader, so with a little bump map. So let's just use that noise here. Let's get this a little bit smaller, input and bump. So this is way too high here, so 0, 0, 0 to 5. And let's get even the COC radius smaller, like 0.025. Let's change the color here again a little bit. .5, and let's get this one here maybe to, let's try out blue here. Something like that. And I think that looks pretty okay for now. So now you can let it render, and then it will look better with not so much noise in it. And now you can play with the shapes here. It's fully up to you. Play with the density of maybe I think these are now 15 pieces. Maybe you make 100 and instance them, and so on. And yeah, that's the final lesson, guys. I hope you liked this little course, motion design in Houdini. And if you want to write me feedback, just hit me up with my email. Go on my page. Let's hit it up here quick. Just go on my page if you liked it. It's timjdesign.com. Just go to contact and you can write me an email, or just hit me up on Instagram or Behance. Yes, so I hope you like this course, and I will see you in the next tutorial on YouTube or in a future course or in a previous course. So see you guys and keep going.